Hello friends, welcome back to Explore Vlogs. So today I am going to show you Nandi Hills, which is around 58 to 60 kilometers from Gangama Circle, and it's morning 5 o'clock right now and leaving now here. So come on guys, let's see. So friends, now I am heading towards BL Circle from the Gangama Circle. The air is so fresh, friends, during the morning, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and it's still dark right now. So friends, I have taken left from BL Circle heading towards the Hebbal. So friends, we have reached the Hebbal, and from here we have to take left towards the Hyderabad highway, friends. So friends, I have reached Devanahalli Airport toll. After crossing this toll, we have to head towards the Chikballapur road. Left leads to airport. We have to head towards the right side. We will get another toll. After crossing this toll, we have to go straight. So friends, you will get a board left towards the Nandi Hills. So we have to take left here. If you miss this board, you will get lost in this highway. So friends, when you reach the dead end, you have to take left, which leads to Nandi Hills. So friends, we have to take right here towards the Nandi Hills. You can see a board here. This is the check post for the Nandi Hills. We can see the beautiful road here. There is mountain in the left and right. So friends, watch this video till the end so you don't miss any of the place in Nandi Hills. This video is going to be little longer. The clouds are below us. It's a beautiful layer of clouds. So friends, this is the entrance for the Nandi Hills. So this is the parking for the Nandi Hills. You can park your vehicle here. So friends, we are here at Nandi Hills and we can see the parking area here. So friends, we have to take the ticket here and we have to head towards the steps above. If you have a four-wheeler, we can take the car inside. So come on guys, let's explore. If you bring car, you can take the car inside. So friends, this is the entrance, and from the entrance if you go left, we will get Tipu Sultan Lodge and Sri Gavi Veerabhadrashwara temple also. And this road leads toward there, but I am going straight. So friend, this is the map of Nandi Hills. These are the main places that we need to visit. So friends, we are heading towards Amruta Sarovara. Mirzam Ismail, Diwan of Mysore, 22nd February 1936. Amrut Sarovara was the main source of water for the Nandi Hills. In 1936, Diwan of Mysore improved this by laying the stones and walls around the pond. It is a beautiful water lake that brims with lucid water all the year round. So friends, when the sun rises, the beautiful pond, we can spot some fishes which is coming out. So this is the nursery in the Nandi Hills. So friends, this is the Nandi Mantapa. Now it is closed for visitors, but we can see from this distance. Nandi Hills is made up of single monolithic rock. Towards northwestern side of the rock, a deep and huge crevasse is formed naturally. Rainwater collects here and water is found throughout the year. There is a park in the Nandi Hills and this is the Antargange. So friends, if we go straight, we will get bamboo house. So these are the bamboo house. There are many bamboo houses here. So friends, I am starting from the point where I showed you during the entrance. There is a big tree over here. So friends, this is the Tipu Sultan Lodge. It used to be a lodge during Tipu Sultan Kingdom. Friends, pause this video and read completely for the details of Tipu Sultan Lodge. If we go down, we will get Sri Gavi Veerabhadraswara Swami Temple. This is the back view of the lodge. There is so much of greenery here. This temple is located in a naturally formed cave below a huge 70 feet tall rock. This is located towards northwestern side of the hill along the stepway from Sultanpete to hilltop. Inscription here says during 1397 Kannappa Raya's son Devappa Raya donated door to this temple. This is the front view of the temple, and it looks like a heaven. So this is the west side of the Nandi Hills. Friends, this is the north side of the Nandi Hills, and it's so amazing. And I am now heading towards the east side, which is much more beautiful. This is the northeastern side. This is the east side, friends. Palar River originates at the eastern side of the hill and flows in southern direction, flowing through Andhra Pradesh. It joins Bay of Bengal. Really amazing. So friends, this is the Palar River and we can see a Lord Shiva temple, and there is a small statue of Nandi in front of it. This is the statue of Lord Shiva and the Nandi. After heading further, we get this place. This is the naturally formed cave below a huge rock. This place is very calm and peaceful. Many sages use this place for meditation. So friends, this is the cave where once sages used to meditate. It's so peaceful in here and it's so calm for doing meditation. The idol of Nellikai Basavana measures 10 feet long and 6 feet height, carved in Chola style. This is called Nellikai Basavana as there is a Nellikai tree or Amla tree in front of Basavana. So friends, heading further, we get a small temple where you can visit. This tree is very huge and beautiful, and it's also very old tree. There is a banyan tree. We get to see some of monkey friends. There are a lot of monkeys here, and this is Mayura Pine Top Restaurant where you can have some tiffin. Sri Yoganandeshwara temple was established during 11th century by the Chola kings. During 14th century, Vijayanagara kings improved it further. Sri Krishna Dev Raya donated two huge bronze Dwarapalaka statues which are placed near the entrance of the Sanctum Sanctorium. This temple has Dravida and Chola style architecture. Names of Raja Rajendra Chola and Kulotunga Chola, Maratha King Shahu, are inscribed on the walls of the temple. There are a lot of people here, and you can see a toilet if you want to go. There is a small temple of Lord Shiva. And this is the temple of Lord Hanuman. And friends, I am heading towards the Tipu drop. So friends, this is the Tipu drop. There is so dense forest in the center of Nandi Hills. So friends, it was an awesome experience exploring Nandi Hills. I will give you the location in my description. If you like my video, don't forget to give a like and also subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video notification, and also share with your friends so that this video reaches more and more people. So let's see in the next video. Bye bye.